Thundercats, 80s famous cartoon. Thundercats is a well-known animated television series that was initially released in 1985 by Rankin/Base Productions and Leisure Concepts. The show's creator, Tobin Tedwolf, was responsible for its conception. The first broadcast of the show occurred on January 23, 1985, and it was on the air for a total of 4 seasons and 130 episodes. Fans of all ages have shown their support for the animated series Thundercats, which is widely regarded as one of the most famous cartoons to come out of the decade of the 1980s in which it was produced. The protagonists of the animated series Thundercats are a group of anthropomorphic felines from the planet Thundera who, after the destruction of their homeworld, set off on an adventure to locate a new place to call home. Lair, often known as the Lord of the Thundercats, is a courageous and charismatic individual who serves as the team's leader. He is accompanied by an eclectic cast of characters, such as Tygra, the strategist, Cheetara, the quick runner, Panthro, the mechanic, WilyKat and WilyKit, the juvenile couple, Snarf, Lion Buddy, Oz and Mumm-Ra, the main enemy of the series. Mumm-Ra is a wicked character. The Thundercats are a one-of-a-kind team since each member of the group boasts their own distinct set of skills and advantages, and they collaborate in order to vanquish their foes and realize their ultimate objective of discovering a new home. For instance, Tygra is a talented strategist who frequently contributes to the team's efforts to organize their battles and outsmart their adversaries. The legendary Pokémon Cheetara is renowned for her lightning-fast speed and nimble agility, which enable her to easily outrun her rivals. Panthro is a competent mechanic who can repair and manufacture equipment and weapons to assist the squad in their fights. These abilities allow the team to be more effective. Young and full of life, WilyKat and WilyKit are always ready to provide a hand to the rest of the crew in any situation they find themselves in thanks to their ingenuity and creativity. The villainous sorcerer Mumm-Ra is the primary adversary of the Thundercats, and he is intent on subduing and ruling over their new home. The mutants Slithe, Jackalman, Monkian, and Vultureman are some of Mumm-wicked Ra's minions that assist him in his nefarious schemes. These antagonists are formidable and callous, and they frequently cause trouble for the Thundercats, which makes the Thundercats' search for a new home that much more challenging. The fact that the characters in Thundercats have various forms of superpower is one of the show's defining characteristics. Lair, for instance, holds the Sword of Omens, which grants him the ability to see over enormous distances and easily beat his adversaries. While Cheetara can see into the future and has superhuman speed, Tygra is able to conjure illusions out of thin air and manipulate light. The antagonists are also endowed with extraordinary abilities. For example, Mumm-Ra is able to assume a mighty and intimidating guise that is known as Mumm-Ra the Ever-Living. The Cat's Lair is a massive castle that serves as the Thundercats' home base of operations in addition to being their headquarters. This fortress may be found in the territory that is ruled by Thundera, and it is guarded by formidable fortifications and armaments. After each fight, the Thundercats return to this base to recuperate and plot their next moves. The tenacious and fearless attitude of the characters in Thundercats is what has made the series so beloved by fans all over the world. The Thundercats are consistently ranked as one of the most watched cartoon shows of all time. Due to its immense success, a plethora of merchandising has been produced, including but not limited to toys, clothes, and video games. The series has also been re-released on DVD, making it simple for fans to view and re-experience the episodes they enjoy the most from the collection.